Hey everyone, welcome back! Did Konami just release another hidden gift code for eFootball 2026 mobile? If that's true, players could claim a special reward completely free. But what exactly is the reward? What is the gift code? Where do you enter it? And most importantly, does it actually work? In today's video, I'll explain everything step by step, including how to redeem the code, where to find the gift code section, and what reward you can expect after redeeming it. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for daily eFootball 2026 mobile news, updates, rewards, leaks, tips, tutorials, and future content. Now, let's get started. First of all, yes, Konami has recently introduced a new gift code feature in eFootball 2026 mobile, allowing players to redeem promotional codes for exclusive in-game rewards. If you've never used this feature before, don't worry, the process is quick and very easy. To redeem the code, open eFootball 2026 Mobile and go to the Extras section. Next, tap Special Support, then select Special Promotions. Inside this menu, you'll find the Enter Gift Code option. Tap on it and carefully enter the gift code exactly as it appears on the screen. Double-check that there are no typing mistakes, then confirm the redemption. If the code is valid, your reward will be sent directly to your in-game inbox within a few moments. After redeeming the code, don't forget to open your inbox and claim the reward before it expires. Also, remember that some gift codes are time-limited or have a limited number of redemptions, so if you have a working code, redeem it as soon as possible before it expires. Now, let's reveal the latest gift code, test whether it still works, and see exactly what reward Konami is offering. Stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any important details.